I was having a problem with pulling the hook into the winch with the setup they had on the plow, and so and then it would rip the line, and then it would stop me from plowing. I have to go and take it all apart, put it back on, tie the rope off, and it kept giving me a problem with all my you know, trying to plow. So this is I went and changed the setup. I put a pulley in the front, and so far I got the pulley off of eBay for around $25 plus minus. Welded it on, tied off the hook underneath with a keeper on there, and this seems to, I did one plowing with it. It didn't, nothing broke. The rope is spins in the pulley, works great, not even frayed or anything, and that's so improved on the stock setup in my opinion, and it works fine. Okay, that's how I fixed it, and it's on a 850 Polaris Sportsman, a SP. So okay, good luck.